Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this cute little butterfly made out of crystals. So just keep watching. First, you'll need any type of crystal or gem glue. I'm using Valentino. You'll need crystals in the shape of this circle oval, and also some crystals in that top shape. I don't know what these ones are called. I got these off of Amazon, and you'll need a lot of little tiny ones like that as well. You can use any color polish or any color on your nails. I'm choosing to use this one, and we're just gonna start by making the first shape. So we're gonna make the two wings just really small. So the top wing, that's what I'm drawing out right there with the glue. It'll make more sense once I place the crystals down. But then I'm gonna grab some more glue and start to draw out the bottom part, which is where our second crystal will be going. So I'm going to start with this oval one. I don't know my shapes, but you guys get the point. And we're going to put that at the top. That's going to be our top wing. And here I'm just kind of like straightening it out. So that second crystal I put on the bottom part. That is now our bottom wing. I do not know the anatomy of a butterfly, so it is a bottom wing. Okay. And yeah, see, we place it, and that's exactly where I want it to be. Brush back into our gem, gel, glue, whatever one you use, and then we're gonna start to trace out the rest of the wing. So now this is like the top part of the wing of the butterfly. Also, I filmed this video on my phone, so better quality is coming. I was just playing around today. And here we go. We are grabbing a random little crystals. It doesn't matter what order you go in. I just chose to go from smallest to biggest, and then back to the smallest and biggest. I don't know how to explain it, but you really don't need a pattern. Just make it your own. All butterflies are different. All wings are different. All these butterfly designs I've seen are different. So just make it your own, you know. I like putting bigger crystals because it takes up room, and that's less room you have to fill up. And then here I am going back in with the glue or gel and putting some at the bottom of the wing so we can have like that pointy-ish part, you know what I'm talking about? You might not know, but it just made it look more like a butterfly wing instead of it looking like the letter B or something. And once I did that, I added some more gel and glue into the middle so we can get ready to just fill it in with the rest of the crystals. Filling it in, you can use different shapes. Like I said, I like to use bigger ones because it fills up a lot more space, but this part you need absolutely no order, just fill it up. Finished look on that finger. I'm gonna go ahead and do it all over again on the other side to complete the butterfly. This time it's completely rushed through. I will shut up and let you guys watch it, and then you guys will see the outcome again. Also, another thing, I wouldn't really recommend this Valentino gel. Everything that I've used from their brand is really bomb. I didn't like this because here I had to, like, it slips. I don't know how to explain it, but other glue I've used, when I put the jewels down, it stays put, but this one, it slips. So I had to keep fixing it then, and at the end of this side, you guys will see again that it slips and I have to kind of reorganize my gems. So I wouldn't really recommend this jewel glue. There's like cheaper ones on Amazon that have worked just as good for me, in my opinion. finished product. After this, you just apply top coat and then cure it for 90 seconds and you are done. Gonna add another clip of how it looks on. Those are the nails on. Of course, you guys can use a different shade. That's why I didn't include the shade. I just wanted to show you guys how I made the actual butterfly. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.